Hello everybody, I'm so excited to bring you this video. This is a second rendition of our travel vlog to Fuerteventura. This is our second year going, and this time we went to the breathtaking island of Fuerteventura in the Canary Islands, part of Spain. We're going to be exploring the incredible Origo Mare Hotel. The hotel chain is called Pierre and Vacances, and I'd highly recommend them. So I can't wait to show you around, so let's jump right in. So we went in the winter sun, the winter months, great time to go. Everything was open, the resort was really busy. So when you get to the hotel, you're greeted with a great sense of tranquility
Wait, do that again.
Yeah.
Baby on the camera.
Two babies on the camera.
Luxury. The architecture is really kind of traditional, modern, with a kind of natural beauty twist, kind of casual, really welcoming. The hotel is located in the north of Fuerteventura on the west kind of coast, known for its very unique volcanoes and beaches, Popcorn Beach. So check out my other video about Popcorn Beach, how to find it. There's also VIP villas, there's a shop, there's mini golf, there's kids club, lots and lots of facilities, and the most important one is Crater Park. So this is the on-site water park. The pools are incredible. There's even rock climbing, kids pool, snack bar, play area, there's arcades. It also has an exclusive adults only area within the resort. It has its own private pool bar and chill out zones, and it's a true paradise within a paradise. Food options are really good too, but first of all, let's talk about the accommodation. Let's talk about the villa. So we had a very spacious and stylish villa, quite generous in size, beautiful like terrace, a short walking distance from reception. It's broken up the resort in like different like oasis, they call it, almost like different blocks, village. It's almost like a whole village. There are different numbered ones and different sizes. You can get like a studio villa, but it's actually like a studio apartment, but in a villa setting. And then our villa had like sun terrace, it had the front garden as well, and each little block has its own pool. That our one had like a kids pool and an adults pool. Then there's sports facilities, like I said, mini golf, playground, they had a basketball, lots and lots of facilities. Everything you need is on site. Even a medic was in like the water park area. So very luxurious facilities, wide range of activities, all pretty much all inclusive in the resort. It's anyone who's seeking a more active, adventurous getaway, but also a chance to relax.
take a picture with you.
The girls were so tired from their travels that they fell asleep at dinner, but Alana woke up just in time for the mini disco. I have to compliment all the entertainment staff. They were excellent dealing with the kids, and all the entertainment for adults afterwards as well at the bar area was fantastic, like quizzes and games. So some of the older kids would go in and play pool or sit around the kind of lounge area. So it was lovely community feel.
3, okay? Without me. We go again. 8, 4, 3. Woo!
The food options were great. They had like a grill in the evening time where you could get like meat, lots of fish options, lots of salad as well. And a couple of the nights they had like a chocolate fountain with lots of fruit and melon, and of course lots of donuts. So yeah, the food was, you could definitely find something for everybody. I'd recommend that. It was really fresh, it was good. The swimming pool area, or the water park, Crater Park, was absolutely amazing facilities. It had like baby changing area, snack bar. The baby pool was like really shallow, and then it went a little bit deeper, and it had like especially all the way up to 10 years at least, I'd say. It had like slides and splash buckets, and they had lifeguards sitting right there at the baby area. Loads of sun loungers around that section. Then they had like bigger slides in a separate pool. Then they had a wave pool, which was really good. And it would have like a proper alarm going off before the waves would come. That's where they did a lot of the entertainment as well. There was like yoga around the pool, stretching, and then there was like kids games as well. It was really good, like family games. The staff were really great. Then there was pools beside our villa, like I said, a lifeguard there as well. They were a bit colder, they weren't heated, but definitely if you wanted a quick splash yourself, highly recommend that. Yeah, they were fantastic. And the pool area also had like these Bali sun loungers, really chill area as well, nice and quiet, and plenty of like separate kind of sunning areas. And whichever way the water park is set, it's kind of like there's windbreakers around, all the rocks around it, it's down a little bit, so it's really well protected. Then there's the adults only area back up at the restaurant reception area, so if you want like a quiet swim, that was very, very nice as well. The loungers are set into the pool, and there's like a terrace there as well, and they had like music, and you could get cocktails if you were all inclusive. Highly recommend that. the grounds they had this beautiful spiral walk as well, so you can stroll all the way to the top, and there's a few benches there and the views were incredible. So one of the best spots for your evening stroll. So this area behind reception had the mini golf and a kids playground. That was excellent. A big shop, and they had like this arcade room, and they had the kids club, which was like supervised games, and they had like 2 sessions, one in the morning, one in the evening. And they played loads of games with them and did shows that they'd put on in the mini disco later. And then they had these 2, like, which was extra and separate, were like a sports bar and another kind of lounge bar. So there's actually loads on site, and you're just at the coast. You can actually, in the evening, if it's quiet enough, you can hear the ocean in the background. You're so close. You could walk across there, but I think it's better to drive out of the resort and then down to the coast, which is like a 5-minute drive. But to walk, you could walk down to that beach. It'd be a good walk, but lots of people were out jogging in the evening. That's your sort of thing.
Here's your cup of tea. Here's my cup of tea.
But it was a beautiful walk, and then we went to find the crater, or this statue they had. It's really windy out there, but I think it's shaped like an elephant. It's meant to be an elephant. I don't know if you can make that out. It looks like a big rock and a crater. So that's really interesting, like artistic impression. Really cool to see. That's all for today's vlog. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, a like, write us a comment if you have specific travel related questions, please, and check out some of the other videos I have all about Popcorn Beach, which was close by, or I go to Fuerteventura loads. So if you have any queries or you're wondering anything, because if you think about it, we spend so much of our like household budget on a holiday. You might have saved for a while. I always recommend the winter sun period. It's so good. Oh, it's the best, just feeling of being in the sun when, you know, back home it's cold and dreary. So definitely anywhere between November, December, January time, even February, like they're all quite warm over there in the Canaries. Like you're talking low 20s. You definitely get like one of the days it went up to 23 degrees, bright sunshine, blue skies, as you can see in the video. So highly recommend that. So there's so much to do in Fuerteventura. There was this volcano hike nearby, there's camel rides in Origo town. I might do even a separate video on that if you guys want to see that. They have lovely sand dunes as well.
You can see an aloe vera factory. Down the south there's a huge like open kind of zoo or enclosures wildlife park. They have giraffes there that you can pet and get up real close to and feed, and you can feed elephants as well. It's fantastic for the children. In one of our other videos we have the clips of where we went with the sea lion. So there's just so much, but thank you so much for listening to this episode. Pop your questions below if you have any, and I'll try to give you as much advice as possible. Until next time, thank you for listening.